Hi, Sophia. Hi. Hello. What are you doing? It's December 2nd, and you're playing in your Exercaucer, right? Is it fun? Are you having fun, Boo-Boo? Yeah? Big girl. You like this thing? Yeah.
C. Cat.
Ooh, music. You're drooling. I see you drooling. You have anything to say? You just want to play with your monkeys? What about this guy? You want to chew on your little rings? You know what you did today? Oh, are you upset? What happened? I was gonna say you pooped in your Exercaucer, and Mommy had to clean it. The seat. Yeah. And Kirby and Roxy made messes on the floor. That's what that is. We had a long day, huh? Yeah, it was rough. Okay, you're getting fussy, so we're gonna say goodbye, Phil. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.